of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as a minister for the state of Assam, and that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with the constitution and the law without fear and favor, affection or ill will. Do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as a minister for the state of Assam, except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such minister.